Hello everyone, welcome back to the new video of Mastering the Verilog from Basics. So in this video, we will be showing about how to write a test bench. So this is a code we have already written for a demo. So we will write a test bench for it to know whether the design is working or not. So similarly, we have to declare a module, we have to give a name and open and close the bracket. So here, instead of using input and output, here we have to use, for input we have to use a register, and for output we have to use wire. So register is a simple storing material, we can say, or uh, storing device or specifier. So similar, register of A and wire of B. So after declaring that, we have to call the module. As in C, we call the functions. Here also similar thing. We have to call the module which we have declared in the design section. So our module name is demo. We have to give a user defined name, and we have to write as it is, as the in a design declares variables, and give the semicolon. So after that, we have to write initial begin. So after writing initial begin, the means the inputs will start be getting assigned whenever we write the input from the clock cycle 0, from the clock 0. So let's start. So first, if you want to see, that we will declare in the next videos. So for now we will write just dump.vcd. So you may be wondering, what is this dump file? It is just we are dumping the outputs in a specific file. Here you can give your any name .vcd. So to bring, we have to use dump vars variables 0 comma, we have to give the name of the test bench. So dump vars means, what is 0? This uh, 0 signifies that all the inputs are recorded from the beginning of the clock cycle to the end of the clock cycle of the module TB. So after that, we have to start assigning the input. Suppose input for a demo, we have given this program that B is the inverted version of A. So suppose we give A equal to 0, and after a clock of 10, we will be giving A equal to 1. And after initial begin, as we have begun, we have to end it. So end, and we have to end the module, and module, end module. So now we have to run the program. So let's see. Before running, make sure you have clicked this open EP waveform wave after run. So run. So here is our waveform, which is, just a second. Here I write to forgot another one and end it. Now we have to run. So make sure you write another clock cycle after the last input. So in the EP waveform, we can see what we are given till till 10 clock cycle, till 10 time. We have, our input is A, and output should be inverted version of A, that is 1. So let's see till 10, our A is 1 and B is 0. Sorry, it is of the another clock cycle. Here A is 0 and B is 1. So see here, A is 0 before 10, and inverted version is B, and after 10, A switches to 1. So as you can see here, after, as soon as it hits 10, A becomes 1, B becomes 0. So this is how simple you can write a test bench. In the next upcoming videos, we will be seeing many more things in the test benches, like how to print the values of the test bench here. So that's all in this video.